After so many years of struggling and end up losing several Facebook accounts due to account banned, restricted, or even scammers scamming my account up and down, I finally found out this secret that keeps me safe and secure 100%. If you're one of those people that are still facing this challenge, account banned, account restricted, that cannot allow you to do your business in proper way, this video is for you. Understand the pain waking up in the morning and find out that your account is no more, like your account is gone just like that. Or a business owner, after funding your ad account, they just restrict your account. Your money is there, your money waste, your account is lost. Or you just be like you see someone using your account. That's a kind of scam. This is very painful, and this thing has done me years back, and I have lost several online businesses. In this video, I'm going to show you a step by step on how we are going to do this account, and trust me, this is 100% legit and very simple. No one born of a woman can even hack your account. If you are still here, tell me thank you in the comment section. Let me not waste much of your time. Before we proceed, I want you to do one thing for me. If you are crossing this page for the first time, I want you to click on this subscribe button right now and subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can always watch my video first whenever I post update like this, because this channel I'll be exposing all the secret about how to make money and how to solve the problem behind them. Alright sir, after doing that right now let's proceed to the tutorials. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is to head over to your Facebook. Now once you log into your Facebook like this, you're going to click on this three dash up here, and you click on it. You're going to scroll down to where there is settings and privacy. Once you reach there, you're going to click on settings. Now it will open like this. Then you click more in account center. Do you understand? Now once you open like this, scroll down, go to personal details. Once you click on personal details, then you scroll down, you click on what? You click on identity confirmation. Do you understand? So now you click on it. So this is where it is. In progress, you're going to see Nigeria. Then what you're going to click on confirm your identity. Then you're going to see run ad on social media issue, electoral policy, or protect your account. No need of wasting much of time. Let's click on run ad about social issue, because it can still protect your account both if you are running ad on it or not running ad on it. You understand? So let's just use it because that one is very okay. Do you understand? Now where do you want to run your ad? Then you're going to select your country. Let me say I'm Nigeria. I'm going to select Nigeria. Select your country because they are going to require your ID. Do you understand? So just select your country, because there's a time we ask you for what ID. Now you are in this interface. Now we have two things to do right now. What we are going to do here is, the first one is two-factor authorization. You know about it. Once you click on it, now you can see my own is my good. Once you click on it, they are going to bring the number user, open your Facebook. Then after that, they're going to send you OTP on your phone as an SMS. Then input it. They will do what? Verify your two-factor authorization. That's the first step you're going to do. Now the second step you're going to do is this one they call personal ID. Do you understand? Now click on it. Do you understand? Once you click on it, they're going to reach this aspect. You're going to click on upload your ID. Once you upload your ID, then you click on continue next. Once you reach this aspect, see more. You understand? You are going to see a lot of options that you are going to use: voters card, blah blah blah, national ID card, license, driving license, and so many of them. You understand? Just choose the one you are confident with, the one you have. Understand? So let's assume you want to use your voters card. Let's just click on it and click on what next. This is very simple. You can see it here. Find an area with a good lighting and blah 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 blah. That's for you to do what? Find where that they can be able to catch up your what ID very well. That is what it simply means. After that, then you click on what? Get started. Now they're going to open this space for you. This is a place they're going to frame that your ID and snap. I selected it because I use voters card. That is why this particular thing is in this shape. If you choose another ID, the shape will be different. Make sure the ID you choose fit the what the frame. You can see it here. Fit your ID in the what frame. That is very simple. So that is it. You can see it. After you do that, what you are going to do next is to do what? Confirm, and they are going to review your ID and verify your account automatically. But before I end this video, I'm going to show you another thing. The ID you are using and your Facebook name is important, that all will be the same. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean right now. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, So just like this account now, the name is Nwebonyi Chinedu Philip, understand? Assuming I use other name to open this account, and assuming I use this name to open this account now, and the name in my ID is not the same thing as this Nwebonyi Chinedu Philip, is going to affect the verification, and they are not going to verify it. That is another challenge you are facing right now. Do you understand? So what are you going to do if you want to upload it and you know that the name, both the ID and your Facebook page is not the same? What you're going to do is that you are going to follow the same process. Do you understand? Follow the same process. What are you going to do right now? To do what? Change the name so that it will be the same thing with your ID, so that it will be very easy for them to verify. How are you going to do that? You click on this your name, click on this your profile, then you click on it again, then you can see name. You can edit it and put it according to how it is on that ID. Trust me, once you do it in this way, it is not going to give you any kind of stress at all. It's magic, right? No stress at all. So that is just it. Once you do this, nobody will hack your account. You will use your account. You use the account. There is no way one of a woman can even hack your account. Understand? So this is a very simple and straightforward tutorial about this. So go now and do yours, and give me feedback in the comment section. If you have any question, anything at all, drop it in the comment section, and stay tuned because more values I will be dropping in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this my channel to avoid missing my next update. Thank you. Congratulations if you are still here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn the notification bell on so that you can never miss the update, and rush now to your Facebook and turn these features on. Once you do it, tell me in the comment section if it work for you or not, or if you have any question concerning the tutorial, don't hesitate to ask me. Understand? So in my next video, I'll be dropping more valuable content more than this. Make sure you watch, share and like so that others can see. Thank you and God bless you. Let's be our brother's keeper. Share to your friends.